I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to see your TikTok watch history. Even if you just open the TikTok app a few times a week, you probably watch hundreds of the short videos. As a result, when the time comes where you actually do want to refer back to something you saw in one of those videos, like how to make a specific smoothie or build a specific thing, you won't remember who the creator was. Thankfully, TikTok makes it easy to see a list of all of the videos you've watched on the platform. Now let's walk through the steps to see your TikTok watch history. Step 1. Open the TikTok app and then tap the profile icon in the menu along the bottom of the screen. Your TikTok profile screen is displayed. Step 2. Tap the menu icon at the top of the screen. A menu pops up at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Tap Settings and Privacy in this menu. The Settings and Privacy screen is shown. Step 4. Scroll down to the Content and Display section and then tap Comment and Watch History. You'll land on the Comment and Watch History screen. Step 5. Tap Watch History. You'll see a list of all of the TikTok videos you've ever watched. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.